Alright, Nicholas90 doing a box of Dominion. No, I'm having a real rough day. No Coke. I haven't had soda since October 31st, but I hear you. I just want to break some wax and forget about the day, man. Now, Doritos sandwich. I could take one of those right about now. Alright. Oh, I think that's the front. Gosh, I hate how you can't tell which way is the front, which way is back. Alright, let's just go like this. Alright. Alex Petrovic to $2.99. Petrovic to $2.99, rookie autograph. Is it Callahan? Yep, Ryan Callahan to $2.99. Derek Stepan to $2.99. You've got a Scott Lofton to $1.99 private signings autograph. This is kind of weird. No relics so far. Is that weird? On card, Jeff Zatkoff, 22 of 50. And Jonathan Quick Emerald, numbered 1 of 5. That was one of the weirdest boxes of the Minion we've ever opened. It's just, normally there's material. That's very bizarre. There you have it.